Okay, on slide 10, you're going to see we have 4 numbers here. Okay, I'm going to give you some words, and I'm going to have you guys build those words for me right here. Okay, so if I give you the word bat, you would take your letters and you put them down on the line here, just like so. Okay. And then you'll do 2, 3, and 4. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put those back. Alright, number 1, stick, stick. I picked up a stick off the ground. Okay, make sure you build your word and you are labeling with your short vowel sound here and your C and your line for a closed syllable if it's closed. Okay. Number 2, milk, milk. I had a glass of milk with my cookies. Okay, remember to hit pause so you can have some time and then hit play again when you're done with each word. Number 3, block, block. The linemen had a great block in the football game. Block. Okay, and word number 4 is going to be one of your trick words. They. They. They did a very nice job today. They. Okay, when you are all finished with that slide, you can move on to the next.